Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Roblox encountered an unexpected error or how to fix unexpected error occurred on Roblox game. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the start icon over here, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. So after your PC restarts, now check if the error is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below and expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update required for your drivers. If yes, then simply update your drivers and after that try to launch the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. So users of Nvidia and AMD, just go through the link that I have provided in the descriptions and after that update your graphics card to the latest version and then try to check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the shortcut icon on desktop on Roblox. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility and here you need to click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and check if this works. If not, then click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and hit on apply and OK. And if this doesn't resolve, then click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and after that try to check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings and here you need to search for the Roblox app is added or not. If not, don't worry, just click on allow another app, then click on browse and check where your game is downloaded, or if it is on desktop then go to desktop and here from here you simply need to select it and add it over here. So after that, after adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK and then try to launch the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to delete Roblox cache. So for that, first you need to press Windows plus R and here you need to type %local app data %. Now click on OK and here look for the temp file. Go below, you can find the temp file and in the temp file you need to search for Roblox over here. So search for Roblox, yes, here it is. You need to simply delete it. So after deleting, now clear the cache from Chrome. So for that you need to open Chrome and then click on privacy and security. After that click on third party cookies. Now click on see all site data and permissions and here you need to search for Roblox and you simply need to click on delete option over here. So after this, now check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to search option over here, search for check for updates. Now here you should check if there is any update available. Simply click on check for updates and after that try to check if the issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to disable memory integrity on Windows 11. So for that, first go to search option, search for Windows security over here. Then click on device security, then click on core isolations details and here you need to disable this memory integrity. So after disabling the memory integrity, now check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, the final solution is to reinstall Roblox. So for that, go to the search option over here and here search for Roblox and from here you need to click on uninstall. So this will remove the Roblox player from your PC. After that, restart your PC and again reinstall the Roblox player on your PC and after that try to check if the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. So I hope this solution will surely help to fix the issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.